Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent the default audio from switching when you plug in a device on your PlayStation 5. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and select this. Go on down to where it says sound, then go to audio output and go to the right. And this is the option that is causing it switch output device automatically. If you turn this setting off, your PS5 won't automatically switch the audio output device to a new one. So if you connect a new headset, it won't automatically switch over to that device. It'll stay at whatever you have at the top here. So it looks like TV speakers is what I have currently. So just disable this and you should be good to go. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.